How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about CRKN as they had the news of a reverse split coming in, and that's what really dropped this stock price down really big. So they see 2025 revenue of 30 to 35 million, which is very interesting. It sounds like really fundamentally sound, right? They exceed the cash of 25 million. The guidance of 30 to 35 million on track for H1 2025 profitability probability, okay? But yeah, there's a lot of good things here. It's just like, they did a mixed shelf offering here. They are results of the special meeting shareholder we had about a day ago, and that's what's causing this drop here. So I mean, they have to do a reverse split. This thing is so far below, and that's the main thing is you really want to wait till after that's done. Once that reverse split happens, then we can look into getting into this stock. And what I do like about this stock is it reminds me of ADTX that we're playing in the Discord of trading against the trend. Look at this. The last time we touched the EMA 20 is 11/22. So if we go to 12/22 and then January 22nd will be almost 2 months not touching that. So I don't like to play under 10-cent stocks because I know that the RS has, it's just bound to happen. It's lurking. And that's the theory that I'm seeing here. So once that happens, I can get that I can get into this. And what I'd like to see is I want to see price below this EMA 5, okay? Once price gets below this EMA 5 for several days, that's how you look to get into an entry here, right? As you can see, this EMA 5 hasn't been hit in 2 consecutive days. So I'd like to see at least like 5 daily candles. We know in the very short term, price is going to magnet to this. You see price go below it, and then look at these quick pumps up to it, 21% gain. Price goes below it, and then you see right up in here, price comes back to the EMA 5. So that's how you get really precise entries. We got down here, because of the special meeting here. But in my scenario, let it just do the RS. Could you get lucky and this could pump massively? Yes, absolutely. I mean, obviously, look at this. Look at this massive gain from 5 cents all the way here. You made a 38%. I mean, that's a pretty freaking good gain. 5 cents to 8, all the way to, almost 6 cents to 8 cents. That's a really good gain. You are kind of playing with fire, though. So you do have to realize that. But as far as what I'm seeing here, I mean, looking at the daily chart, I do like how we haven't hit the EMA 20 for quite some time. I just want to see, like I said, after the reverse split, we'll go from there. So I'm going to keep this on my radar. And it's just one of those plays where you have to look for the reversion to the mean. When you look at your EMAs, that's your target. If you see price come to this EMA 5, take that gain. That's a 46% from the lows here. If you see price to the 10, that is a 71% gain. And then so forth, price to the 20, that's 148%. Those are really nice targets. I always like the 5 and the 10. You can see when price gets really close to the 20, I do like to sell below that. I don't like to say, hey, EMA 20 is right here. I'm going to take that all the time. I always take my 10% gains as that is a realistic target, okay? When you're looking at a downtrend stock, even though this company sounds to be fundamentally good, actually, but you have to just look at the chart and be like, every EMA is going to get shorted, okay? That's just what you got to see. This chart right here is the most downtrend. It's a really ugly looking chart. EMA 50 is at the very top. The 20 is acting as resistance. It had its moment right up in here. It had a really good moment where it had a massive rally, but this didn't last long. I actually do trade this with the trend, and I look for bounces on the 10 and the 50 because usually you get those bounce effects. Look at this. 57% there, and then my next strategy is to buy it on the 50 here. And look at this beautiful bounce of 60%, and you only play each level one time, because if it comes back to that level, then it's bearish. And then you can see why on the downtrend, why is it getting shorted? It's the same thing when it's an uptrend. The EMAs act as support, downtrend, EMAs act as resistance. That's just the key to it. If you're buying this, people might say you're buying a falling knife. Me personally, I would look for 3 more daily candles away from the 5, but just wait for the RS at this point. It's just so low. We know this is not going over $1. To me, it's just kind of like playing with fire, though. All right, guys, if you guys want to join the premium Discord and see my real-time alerts, see my analysis, see the stocks I'm in, we had lots of good plays that we played in the Discord, lots of big runners. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. click on day trade alerts under the subscriptions tab where everything will be locked. And when you click that, it will ask you to subscribe, and it's only $12 a month. And you'll get access to day trades and swing trades for an all-time low cost. Okay, so $12 a month, you get access to all the channels. It's not going to cost you anything more than that. It's probably one of the cheapest out there for the education you get on how to trade, how I look to enter, with notifications sent straight to your phone on the setups that I like that meet the system. Okay, if you just hit swing trade alerts, that's only $6 a month. So you just choose what you like. Obviously, I'm going to recommend the day and swing trading plus, which includes your name in gold, and you get access to everything, because the day trading strategy, you can make money every day on it. But if you hit server shop up in here, you can read about the 2 memberships. Not showing for me, but $6 a month for swing trades, or day trades and swing trades is $12 a month. So that's my analysis on CRKN. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. Me personally, that's what I'm saying. But you just gotta understand, plot these EMAs. We're not at this green band here, so we gotta understand we're not at a true bottom reversal, which is the extreme territories. We do know we're due for EMA 20, so that's good to see. We do know if we go away from the EMA 5 for extreme amounts of time, like anything that doesn't touch this EMA 5 and 5 daily candles is long, price comes back up to that. And that's how you can make massive money on those short-term reversions and means. Making 10% fast. Sometimes you make 20%, you know, this has a 40% margin. I always take 10% because people like to tell me, you know, oh, it didn't, you know, if you try to aim for larger margins, then your win ratio drops drastically. So do understand that. So hope you guys like this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. I just want to give an update on this because a lot of people are asking me, should I buy this? My opinion is no. You guys do what you need to, but it just doesn't fit my strategy. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.